see this year's Grammy outfits. Pretty? Okay. Eh. Love it. Love it. I want it. I want it. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, nice to meet you. My name is Paurovas. On today's video, I'm gonna try to recreate Dua Lipa's Grammy dress. It's amazing, it's gorgeous. On a side note, no, I will not be bedazzling the bra with Swarovski crystals like the original. I wish I could, but we don't have the budget for that. But we will try to find the next best option. We are going to the fabric store. Hello! We are back from the fabric store. Yay! I think it's time for you to meet my workspace, the floor. This is where all the magic happens. Cutting, drawing, pattern making, all on the floor. So now I'm going to show you the fabric that I bought. What is the name of the fabric? I have no idea. I was just looking around and seeing what color matches best. This is like a nice metallic pink. I will also be using a little bit of organza. I know it's not made from that the bra, but like I said, I was color matching. Fabulous dress, coat, whatever. I have this, which I also don't know what it's called. Great. And last one. This is such a costume fabric. It's like a mesh or something, but it has dots. So this is our fabulous fabric, and we are ready to start making that fabulous dress. Hello, and we are ready to start. Just place your pattern on top of your fabric. I like to start by making the bra first. Then you do the exact same thing with the other fabric, in this case the organza. I recommend that you leave a little bit more of room when cutting. Then you just layer one fabric on top of another and sew together so it doesn't move. I had a little bit of trouble when sewing these two fabrics together, so just be patient. I left the ends open so that way the strap of the bra can go out and attach. You can see I already did the front part and the back part, and I will be just sewing together with the bra inside. I wanted to say I don't like how it's looking. I think I will be cutting here, and maybe I will add some boning just to make it look prettier. But overall, I'm having like a lot of doubts. This part was really fun. It was just making the detail buttons on the bra, and I ended up painting on top of just a simple wood button because I didn't find the exact color match. Then we will just be making the bra straps. Typical rectangle in metallic fabric and organza fabric, and just turn it inside out so you will have your nice straps. Be very careful when ironing the straps because organza tends to shape weirdly. Here is how it looks. I'm just placing the buttons on top to know where I want to sew them in. I left a little bit more of the strap just to have more room. And here I will show you how I hid the bra straps. You see, it's nice and hidden. And all that is left to do on the bra is just sew the buttons. Hello, and meet Rebecca. So we're going to use her to see how it will look. So first, you're gonna use that pink fabric and drape it all over. We're gonna use the mesh like that. You can just loop it here, and I think we're done. I'm joking, but it would be great if it was that easy to do. Now we are ready to start with the dress. For this, I used the pattern of a simple robe that I cut at the waistline. The waistline was a little bit lower, so I have more room for fabric to hang. This is my sleeve, is the top of a bell, and the bottom is like a big trapezoid. What I'm cutting here is the inside details. This is the back, the front. You will just sew together the shoulder. Then you will attach the sleeves. I like to do it without sewing the sides first. I think it's a little bit easier. And now is when you sew the sides together and you just make a really long stitch. This is the detail that it has in the front. So you just sew it in place and top stitch so it looks nice and flat. Here I have a little bit of problem in the collar because I forgot that you need to cut a little bit extra. But you make a little dart and it's not visible from the outside. So for the skirt, I just grabbed what was remaining on my fabric and I did the seams on the bottom, on the side, and on the top of the rectangle. I just did an overlock finish. Then I will gather that and sew together the skirt to the bodice. Here is the belt, and I did a little new thing for me that was making the snaps. If you see like the blue dots, is just a guide for me to know where I will be putting the top and the bottom. And this is how it looks. It was very convenient and pretty. Finally, we are done. We are ready to try it on. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's go. And that's it. I hope you liked this video. I had a lot of fun making the dress. It was a little bit nerve-wracking making the bra. I also want to give a big thank you to my friend Yanika, who made my makeup and my hair for the photo shoot. And also a big thank you to my friends that are always supporting me. I love you. If you like this video, please leave me a like. It really helps me. Subscribe. And also, if you have any idea for my next video, leave in the comments down below because I have no idea what to do next. I hope you have a great day. I love you and see you in the next video. Bye!